Hey everyone, welcome back to another informative video of Geek Bullet YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how you can install Google Play Store on your Windows 11 computer. Yes, 3 years back I have created a video on the same topic, but that method mentioned in that video is quite old and will not work now. So here I come with a different or new method to install Google Play Store on your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. Hi, my name is Akshay and you are watching Google Play Store installation video on Geek Bullet YouTube channel. Do subscribe. Before we start the installation process, you have to take care of few Windows 11 settings. First, make sure you are using latest version of Windows 11. As you can see, currently I am using Windows 11 version 24S2, which is the latest version of Windows 11 right now. So if you are using older version of Windows 11, then you can update it by going into your Windows 11 settings app. First, open Windows 11 settings app by pressing Windows plus I keyboard shortcut. Now go to Windows Update and here you will find check for update option. So just click on it, and if you find any update related to Windows 11, then do update in your system. After installing latest version of Windows 11, there are few Windows 11 settings that you need to enable. First we are going to enable developer mode. To enable it, go to system, scroll down and you will find for developers option. Click on it, then click on developer mode and click on yes. Now there is an optional setting that you can enable. Go to time and language, then go to language and region. Now make sure United States is selected here, as some Play Store apps will not work. After changing both these settings in Windows 11 settings app, you have to make sure virtualization is enabled in your Windows 11 computer. Right click on Windows 11 start button icon, then click on Task Manager. After that click on Performance tab. Now here you can see virtualization is enabled in my computer. If it is showing disabled for you, then you have to enable it by yourself. Since every computer comes with different BIOS utility, so it's not possible for me to demonstrate. So you have to find the virtualization technology option in your BIOS settings and you have to enable it by yourself. Apart from virtualization, there is one more Windows 11 feature that you need to enable it, which is called Virtual Machine Platform. Just search for turn Windows feature on or off. Scroll down and you will find Virtual Machine Platform option. Enable it, then click on OK. Now it will search for required files and it will install in your system. Basically virtual machine platform option will get enabled and it might ask you to restart your Windows 11 computer, so you need to restart your Windows 11 computer as well after enabling this feature. Okay, now we are going to download Windows Subsystem for Android in our Windows 11 computer, or basically we are going to download WSA file. It is available on GitHub for free. I will provide link in the description so you can use it from there. So here you can find two versions of WSA. One is ARM64 and if you scroll down you will find x64 version. So you have to check your system type in your Windows 11 settings app. Do open Windows plus I keyboard shortcut and settings app will get open. Basically now you have to click on system tab, scroll down, click on about. As you can see, my system type is 64-bit operating system x64 based processor. So I am going to download x64 version. Scroll down and here in assets section you will find a file called WSA x64 release nightly gaps no Amazon. So I'm going to click on it and downloading will get started. As you can see, it's here. Wait for download process to get completed. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe. As you can see, currently I'm at very low subscriber. I cannot monetize my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can monetize and I can create more videos like this. Okay, WSA file now got downloaded. Let's open it. Now I'm going to right click on it, then click on show more option, click on 7-zip and click on extract to WSA. Let's open extracted folder. Again open it. Here you will find install Windows PowerShell script file. Right click on it, then click on run with PowerShell. PowerShell windows will get open and installation process will get started. USA window will appear, click on yes and installation process will get started. Okay, now Windows Subsystem for Android is successfully installed in our computer. Just click on continue. And as you can see, Windows Subsystem for Android will now get open. Let's minimize it. You can close it. Click on yes. As you can see, Google Play Store is now open. Click on sign in. Now you can use your Gmail account to log in. Once you successfully sign in using your Google Play Store account, click on I agree. Okay, Play Store now got closed automatically. So just click on start button icon and click on Play Store. And Play Store will now get open. Now you can install any apps from here. For example, I am going to install JioCinema app. Click on install. And installation process will get started. Okay, JioCinema app got installed now. I can open it from here. Okay, if you want to manage Windows subsystem for Android settings, then go to your Windows 11 search button. Then now search for Windows subsystem for Android. Click on open. From here you can open file manager as well. Just click on this icon. And as you can see, file manager got open. I can access my downloads here. Okay, you can also go to apps section, and here you will find all installed apps in your Windows 11 computer. As you can see, currently Magix, JioCinema, Play Store, Google Play Services, Google is installed in my system. Click on advanced settings. From here you can enable developer mode and sideload apps in your Windows 11 subsystem for Android as well. But if you don't need to sideload apps, since you got Play Store, so you can install the apps directly from Play Store as well. So you can just browse any app from here and you can just install it from here. For example, if you want to install Instagram, then you can just search from here and you can install Instagram in your Windows 11 computer. Okay, so that's how you can install Google Play Store in your Windows 11 computer. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, currently I am at very low subscriber. Even I cannot monetize my channel. I am saying it again. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can create more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.